In this video, we're going to show you how to import products with variants via a CSV file on Shopify. Product variants allow you to sell multiple versions of the same product, such as different sizes, colors, materials, or styles. Instead of creating separate product listings for each option, Shopify lets you organize them under a single product with multiple variants. When importing products through a CSV file, it's important to format your variant data correctly. Otherwise, Shopify may create duplicate products, ignore your variants, or generate import errors. The good news is that once you understand Shopify's CSV structure, importing products with variants becomes quick and reliable. By the end of this video, you'll know how to prepare your CSV file, organize variant information, and successfully import products with multiple options into Shopify. So let's get started. The first method is to download Shopify's sample CSV template. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Products, then click Import. Download the sample CSV file provided by Shopify. This template shows the correct format for products and variants. Next, enter your product information. The first row should contain the main product details, including the product handle, title, description, vendor, product type, and other required fields. After that, add your variants. Each variant should be entered on its own row while using the exact same product handle as the main product. This tells Shopify that all of the rows belong to the same product. Then, fill in the variant-specific fields. Add values for option names such as size or color, along with their corresponding option values like small, medium, large, or black and blue. Each variant can also have its own SKU, price, barcode, inventory quantity, weight, and image. Next, verify your image links. If different variants use different images, include the correct image URL for each variant. Make sure all image links are publicly accessible and begin with HTTPS. Before importing, review your CSV carefully. Confirm that every variant shares the correct product handle and that option names remain consistent across all rows. Inconsistent option names can cause Shopify to create separate products instead of grouping the variants together. Once your CSV is ready, save it as a CSV file. Return to Shopify, click Import, upload the file, and review the import preview before completing the process. After the import finishes, open several products to confirm that all variants appear correctly on the product page. In most situations, these steps are all you need to successfully import products with variants into Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, download Shopify's CSV template and enter your product information. Second, place each variant on its own row while keeping the same product handle. And third, review your option values, images, and variant details before importing. Remember that Shopify groups variants by the product handle. Keeping your handles and option names consistent ensures that all variants appear under a single product instead of creating duplicate listings. And that's how to import products with variants via a CSV file on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.